Welcome back to another day, another vlog, another nasty vlog. Here with Valentine. Woo! First off, we didn't catch it in video because these guys are lazy, but Morty's down. There's the KA. Shake my head. He popped it trying to swing it. What a dumbass. But we're here to focus on my 240 today. All right. So the reason we haven't been vlogging lately is because look at this. It's raining. I don't know if you can tell, but you can hear it for sure. So that's why we haven't been vlogging lately. It's been a while since we vlogged, but you know what? It's raining today and we're saying fuck it. We're gonna finish the 240 today.
Next time we try to vlog on Engine Blue.
So you already know, it's not a nasty vlog if we don't go to Home Depot or AutoZone. So we're here at Home Depot to get some bolts and shit. But look at this.
RPF ones? Oh, they're MST RPF ones.
Look at this shit. This shit is clean as fuck.
Oh, look at the roof.
Oh fuck, never mind. Oh, my fault. All right, we found what we need.
I was gonna say, what you doing? I can scan it. Whoa. My fault.
Oh, dang.
Oh, my fault. Oh, the tip money?
Where do you work?
Oh, you know.
Damn, if you need that custom work, you already know. Just kidding, it's not on yet. Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Go for it, brother. Go for it. There's one.
Go from the middle out.
Yeah. We'll just cut all the video of you hitting every bolt.
Yeah.
Hella fast. You don't break your window. I mean your lights.
Jesus, dude, that shit won't go in.
Two hours later.
Bruh.
Dang, 240 looking different now.
This is a whole different car. I'm gonna have to put like molding all around the edges.
Dada.
Make sure it stays down completely.
Duct tape life. No finger life.
Hey, when you take off your antenna and you don't want water going in,
Duct tape.
duct tape.
Duct tape does everything. And zip ties.
Next thing, this coming off.
And then zip tie this down.
Fuck it. Hey, let me do the review.
I barely fit on the mic.
Damn, dude, this shit looks so clean. I'm hella juiced. Hell yeah. Everyone knows that ever since I've wanted a 240, I've always wanted a ducktail on it. And I finally fucking got it. Right, Valentine? Wasn't that one of the first mods I talked about?
Yeah.
Alright, now what are we about to do?
Rip this fucking bumper off.
Hell yeah. If anybody wants a pig nose bumper, $2,000 for sale.
Really?
I'll sign it too.
With the Nasty Crew sticker.
With the Nasty Crew. Hell yeah. We'll take this off. We'll sand this down all the way. And we'll put Nasty in it.
Alright, we got bolts down there. We got bolts up here.
Fuck.
Then we go beyond.
Damn, no more pig nose bumper soon. Eat that shit, nigga. Val's mom brought us some tacos. Oh, shit look dank, boy. Fuck this car.
Got him. I did better than him, I think. Yep.
Alright. So now that the rain is done and everything, we got the bumper off. Got it all off. Let's do it. Shit looks like a real ass drift car right now. No bumper, nothing. Alright, so bumper's off. Time to get the new bumper on.
Alright, one more run so I can run.
If you want to see how we do stuff, check out our Instagrams. Because we put everything on our Instagrams.
I don't.
I put stuff on my Instagram. He don't. But yeah, so let's do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Feel me? It feels? And if you couldn't tell, this is the reason why we haven't been vlogging lately. Is because it looks like this the last few weeks. Been raining and shit. I think I brought the rain with me because I'm originally from the Bay Area where it rains all the time. And San Diego is supposedly not supposed to rain that much. So once I moved down here, it started raining a shit ton. So I'm starting to think maybe it's because I moved down here. Alright, so the 240's done for now. At least as much as we could do today. Got the ducktail on. Shit looking nice. Brody. I'm gonna get a clean ass Nasty sticker in Japanese right there. She's gonna look fresh. Ew, what'd I step on? Fucking tomato. And come around here. Whoo! Shit looking clean. I'm hella juiced. Hell yeah.
You said stop playing?
And we got another 240 in the fucking crew. Damn.
If she didn't start looking. Oh, you
We barely got that thing up today and it started pouring right as my dad got it out.
What?
That little thing. Because he had gotten home from work and he didn't go straight into it. So I started working on wood.
Gutted? God damn.
Yeah, they clean that shit on
The drift build, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'm still waiting on this little thing so you can get it. Oh, on the fucking fender?
Damn, high-key jealous that your speedometer works and turns on. Damn, with the Momo steering wheel?
Sir.
Hey, I fuck with your shift knob. I fucks with that shit. Damn, alright. Uncracked dash?
I'm not flex on you.
What the fuck?
Pero eso va a salir donde ajá, tico.
Oh no, not this.
240.
I know, for like 10K.
Yeah, because it has two Nasty Crew stickers on it. So it's worth,
Oh, so
it's worth,
value, huh?
yeah, it's put at the value 10K.
on them out on that.
Yep.
Hey, pop up your lights.
Huh?
Pop up your lights.
Oh, shit, man, I like those.
Hey, hella cheap. They're only 90 bucks. 90?
There's one inside there.
Oh, these are hella bright.
Freddie has them on the truck. You only need one though.
Those are clean.
Hell yeah, I don't even need the flashlight on my phone no more.
Same, bro.
Damn, bro, he got the little pump unhappy. He got the upside down cross, the 666. And this nigga satanic, dude. I fucks with that. I fucks with that.
Fuck with it.
There we go.
Hey, Brody, my fault that I'm seeing your wheels, but I didn't get an invite, Brody, so this is the only time I'm ever gonna do it.
Damn.
There you go. That one's good.
Alright, so we're finishing off the night here. We drove a little down to Mexico, did a little bit of swings for you guys, but you know, or we tried to swing it.
We're down here in Baja California.
In Baja California, you know what I'm saying? Well, we got this. We with the boy, Cisco. Valentine, Valentine, what should they do?
What you gonna ask me?
Alright, Cisco, what should they do?
Comment and like it. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Alright, stay nasty, guys.